Tesla has been making a new Model Y in Texas, as we've known for some time. It's the crossover's standard range all-wheel drive model, and its structural battery pack and new exclusive Tesla 4680 battery cells are used. It has since come to light though that Tesla is also assembling the Model Y long range at its brand new Austin Gigafactory. What? 2 production lines? Wish to learn more? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video from our channel. Tesla has added a reference to the structural battery pack to the Model Y owner's manual, as production is expected to be imminent. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about how, finally, Model Y comes with a better battery pack. But before we get into it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. If you've been waiting impatiently for a Tesla electric vehicle EV that utilizes one of the company's higher capacity 4680 battery cells, then you'll be happy to know that it's now here, albeit you'll probably have to wait a little bit. Electric has learned that Tesla is selling the Model Y in a new standard range AWD variant, which uses the 4680 cells to offer 279 miles of range and a 5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time for $59,990, which is $3,000 less than the long-range AWD variant. However, at this time, the Model Y is only being sold to employees of Tesla. According to insiders within the firm who spoke with Electric, a version designed for regular consumers would be made accessible in the coming weeks. A magnetic center, armrest, and a parcel shelf are 2 of the new additions that come standard on this Model Y model that were not available in any of the prior trim levels. It's been claimed that Tesla presented a few of these electric vehicles to employees during a Giga RODEO event that took place in Tesla last week. The capacity of the 4680 cells is 5 times that of Tesla's current units, despite the fact that their size is double that of Tesla's existing cells. Because of this, Tesla is able to either increase the distance its cars can travel or reduce the number of batteries it needs to go the same distance, which might result in lower prices. The latest version of the Model Y incorporates them into a structural battery pack, which ought to lower the amount of complexity as well as the amount of weight, further enhancing the efficiency. Consequently, this Model Y is not so much an enlargement of the portfolio as it is a significant step in Tesla's overall product plan. Even while it could be a while before the new battery technology makes its way into every Tesla electric vehicle, it should help keep costs down, boost the range, and ultimately lead to the much-touted $25,000 sedan. Despite the fact that Tesla will not meet its objectives of beginning production of the Model Y at the Gigafactory in Texas by the end of the year, there are various signs that manufacturing will begin in the very near future. Now, we're presented with another option. The owner's handbook for the Model Y in the United States has been given an upgrade by Tesla, and the new edition contains a mention of the structural battery pack. It's anticipated that the structural battery pack will be the most significant distinction between the version of the Model Y manufactured at the Gigafactory, Texas, and the one now produced at the Fremont factory. Tesla intends to integrate its new 4680 cells into a single block to build a battery pack with structural integrity that will become a part of the body of the car. This will replace the current method of creating a battery pack, which involves assembling multiple separate battery modules. Tesla has amended the owner's handbook in reference to the jacking operation since the life points are different. Nonetheless, it's not anticipated that this would have a significant effect on the overall experience of the owner. The fact that Tesla has updated the owner's handbook may be seen as a sign that the company is getting ready to start shipping the new edition to customers. It's currently unclear if or how owners of the Model Y in North America will know whether they will get the newest version of the Model Y from Austin or an older version from the Fremont before they take possession of their vehicles. Due to the fact that the battery pack has an effect on efficiency, it's anticipated that this will have somewhat different specifications than the Fremont version. Tesla has not yet updated the configurator. In order for Tesla to deliver those automobiles to consumers, the company will also need governmental permission. The Model Y long range, which was made in Texas, may or may not employ 2170 battery cells. However, it's likely that Tesla is not utilizing the new structural pack and 4680 cells in this iteration of the Model Y. Hopefully, additional details will become available soon. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know. Our video has come to an end now. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more material just like this. See you in the next video.